Well, howdy everybody. Once again, we are coming to you from somewhere in the middle of nowhere. And today in the middle of nowhere, we're going to attempt another one of Mr. Fox's 100-yard challenges. And this is a 5-group plus varmint challenge. So we got 2 targets we're going to shoot 5-round groups at. Under that, we have 6 little varmints that we get to shoot at. So, man, I'm excited. Let's do this. I have a 2-inch paster down there so that we can confirm 0. Let's get our ears in. We need to set our turrets to what we think it's going to be. Normally for this rifle, that equals 1.4 mils. So I got an orange paster down there, and let's see what happens. Today's a whole brand new day. Well, we're just barely high. Yeah, that one's a little higher. Alright, here's where the fun starts. It appears that we need to come back down 0.2. Let's fling a couple more and see where that gets us. We've got a pretty funky wind, man. It's coming from behind. It's coming from head. We're just going to see if we can get lucky. That one got in the orange, a little to the left. That was right next to it. Alright, well, man, I don't really know what to do about that. Take one more. Shooting right, shooting left, shooting high, shooting low. Those last 3 were kind of left, man. I'm not... Man, do we just go to the right? We're gonna go to the right one. Hope for the best. And now we're just gonna go at our target and see what happens. Alright, well, that one shot way to the right. I think that first one, there's something about switching mags, man. Let's just continue on. There's 5 for that target. Move over to the right target. I don't see a shotgun pattern down there. We might have done all right on that one. We're gonna go for a possum now. Awesome possum time. I think I just missed him in the head. Raccoon? I think I just missed his head again. Looks like we're consistent. I'm afraid to change anything. Big bad wolf. And the old stinky skunk, boy. I can't see much of anything. I think we're just gonna have to go down there and see how we did. I don't think we did so good on the varmint targets. That's okay. I'm really interested to see that second 5-shot group though. Alright, well, let's go down there and see how we did. Well, here's our target. And here's where we started. I don't know what to say about any of this mess. I think we shot some over here. And I thought I brought it down. And we shot over here. I'm not sure what order all that happened in. But we did something, and then we decided to go to our target. And man, that was the mag change, and then we shot one way over there. But then our other ones, man, we got the rest are all 9s and 110. So wow, man, that ain't too bad. We can measure that if I know how to use a tape measure. I think the biggest part of that group is right at 1 inch. So man, that's pretty cool. Moved over to this target and we did that. So wow. Man, if I could have just brought it over just a little bit, I couldn't see what was going on. We got 1 dead center in the 10, well, almost dead center. Then we got a cluster of 3 right there. I mean, it's still a 9 because it broke the line, but I mean, that's that. And holy cow, guys, I mean, that group there is 5/8 of an inch. I think that's the biggest part of it. And that is, guys, that's 5/8 of an inch. So wow, man. Came down here. See, man, I don't know how I go from doing, well, I do, because all these were just high and just right. Possum, just high and right. Raccoon, just high and right. So, miss. We scared that fox pretty bad, man. I don't know if it died or not. And we got the groundhog right in the face. Oh man, the poor wolf. He sure is pretty, but he got one. He's dead. The skunk. Man, he probably sprayed everywhere and run off in the woods and died. So we're going to say that we got 4 critters and we didn't do bad, man, on our group. So, wow. SK pistol mats worked pretty good at that 100-yard distance, man. I'm a little impressed, man. So, yay to that. And, Brian, man, thanks for putting out these targets. They're a blast, man. Can't wait to see what you come up with next. Anyways, guys, we love y'all. Hope y'all are having a blessed day. We will see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.